A broken garage door spring not only complicates your daily routine, it can pose serious dangers. Understanding the mechanics of your garage door springs is crucial for safe operation and maintenance. Garage door springs balance the weight of heavy doors, allowing for effortless opening and closing action. When these springs malfunction, the full weight of the door can become a dangerous burden to lift. Signs of spring failure include loud bangs, doors that suddenly stop, and visible gaps in the springs. Opening a door manually in such conditions is risky, requiring immense strength and caution to avoid injuries. The danger escalates as unstable doors may fall rapidly or rollers pop out, leading to severe accidents. Many owners neglect the risks until it's too late, but regular inspections can mean the difference between safety and disaster. Don't attempt DIY repairs. This is a job for a professional who understands the high tension involved with springs. For a safe and functional garage door, reaching out to a specialist immediately is always the best decision.